So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy JPMorgan stock, ticker symbol at JPM on Moomoo. So once you have Moomoo opened up, I want you to go into your account, go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass. At the top bar, as I mentioned, type in ticker symbol JPM. This one right here at the top, JP Morgan. There also is a Canadian hedged option as well if you're looking for that. But just for simplicity's sake, we'll press on the US traded JPM stock. Once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on the orange trade button, and then press on buy. Once you're on the buy page, you can change your session. You can go to the order type as well and make it a limit order or a market order. You can also go to the quantity section. So if you wanted to buy, for example, 10 shares, it's going to cost you this much money. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, press on the green buy button and then go through the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy JP Morgan stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.